Hi! So, kain tayo ng balot from Mr. Squirrel Balot. It's Atina's first time to eat balot. Kaya ibabad muna natin ng saglit sa hot water. She will taste. I want the spicy. You want the spicy one or not the spicy one?
Not the spicy one.
So this is not the spicy one, huh? You bantay it. So you know where is it. Let's see. Let's wait at least 2-3 minutes. Naubos na. Look, naubos na namin ni Daddy yung isang box. I'll give him the other 2. Naubos na. Do you know how to eat balot?
No. Ayoko ng balot eh.
Saan na yan? I think this is okay. So sungit. My daughter is so sungit. Okay, I'll teach you how. You put your basura here, ah. You hold this. Ah, you hold this.
Yakon ba yan?
Hindi, ito. No, bigger. Hold. I'll teach you how. Nakita mo yung flat surface? Dirt ka. Oh. Sige, lakasan mo. And then, you put the, don't, konti lang ang tanggal mo. Or straight. Tapos, you inom the juice first. Inom mo yung juice. Like, sip it. Inom mo yung juice.
Oo nga, wait lang.
This is the spicy one. Yan. Oo.
Spicy naman din to.
Ay, spicy ba yan? No, this is the spicy. Ay, ito yung spicy. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry yan. Sige.
Di naman yan spicy.
Ah?
Di naman yan
Oh,
spicy.
yun. No? Sige, sa'yo na lang. It's not really spicy.
How do you eat this?
Just remove the then just, hindi talaga siya ma-spicy konti lang. Just inom mo yung sabaw.
Ito.
Yeah.
Yak.
No, it's not, that's the yellow of the egg.
Hindi ko mag-gets. Ano?
Yeah, just eat it. Ay! Hawak mo to. Eat this all. Ah. Okay, lahat. What does it taste?
Oh.
It's balot. Till next time. Bye-bye. Like it? Like no? You need one more?
Ayoko.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Ayoko.
Ayoko. Huwag ka kamay. Hindi malansa.